is Keshav Malpani. I welcome all of you to yet another session of 12 Minutes to CLAT. Today I'm going to discuss an extremely important strategy for all of you to prepare well in the last 100 days for CLAT 2023 as to what should you do and what should you not do in these last 100 days to be able to ensure success in CLAT 23. Because I'm pretty sure that a lot of you are quite confused and perplexed with a lot of questions where you're probably not able to attempt too many questions in a mock test. You're not able to get your score to a level, right? Sometimes you're not able to even do a mock test properly. कई बार ये वाली problems हो रही है, not just in the mock test but in a general preparation also. There are times at this point in time when we are just stuck and we do not know as to what to do in the entire day. So in this particular session, I will be making sure and I will give you a step-by-step guide as to how to solve these particular questions that come to your mind that kind of halt or become an obstacle in your CLAT preparation. First and the most important question is how to increase the number of attempts in a mock test, because generally हमने ये देखा है जो लोग ज़्यादा मार्क्स ला पाते हैं mock test में generally their attempts are also better than us, right? What you can do here is, and I've identified that most of the students who are not able to attempt too many questions, for example अगर आपके attempts are below 100 or somewhere in that line, you are not having or you are not sticking to a strict timeline when it comes to all the sections. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल से आपने सोचा है कि एक पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन में आप इतना टाइम लगाओगे, लेकिन आप क्या करते हो 5 से 10 मिनट एक्सीड कर देते हो बिकॉज यू आर समटाइम्स स्टक ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल से यू डूइंग द इंग्लिश सेक्शन, आप इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सेक्शन के ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन यू विल बी स्टक फॉर 10 मिनट्स. नाउ वी डू नॉट हैव दैट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम फॉर जस्ट वन पैसेज, right? So that is going to be a major problem. What you can do is create a strict timeline for yourself. So when you're attempting English, you should not spend more than 2 minutes exceeding that timeline. So I will give you a rough timeline. Obviously you can create your own timeline also, but the generally followed timeline is that for English language you can spend 30 minutes, for current affairs you can spend 10 to 12 minutes, for legal reasoning spend 35 to 37 minutes, for critical reasoning you can spend 25 to 27 to 28 minutes also. For data interpretation you can spend 15 minutes. So this is going to be the general way. Obviously you don't have to solve the paper in this exact way. You can solve it in your, you could say जो भी आपके लिए comfortable होगा, in your own comfort zone. But this is the amount of time you're going to be spending in each and every section, and it's extremely important to stick to it. 2-3 minute ऊपर नीचे is fine, but you still have to stick to these particular timelines, because what happens is, I'll tell you, in every question paper or in every section per se, there are certain questions that are slightly difficult and there are certain questions that are quite easy. What we do is, in place of solving those difficult questions, why not solve easier questions in each and every passage, or you could say in each and every section, right? हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we are stuck on those difficult passages or difficult questions in a particular section. Okay, that is a major problem. You could say spend my time or waste my time there. एक बात बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमें समझने की, that sometimes we get emotional with certain sections. We feel that our English is good, so I will make sure that English is properly done, चाहे उसमें कितना भी time लगे. This is really going to be problematic because CLAT is not judging your math skills or your English skills or your current affairs skills. It's only judging as to how many questions can you do correctly without doing a lot of negative questions within those 120 minutes. ठीक है, there is no sectional marking at all. You need to understand that and solve as many questions as possible. Try to solve the easiest question in a particular section and then move on to the next section. ठीक है, हमको बहुत सारे, for example अगर मैं English की फिर से बात करूँ, there are a lot of questions or a lot of passages that are philosophical in nature, slightly difficult to read and understand. There are certain passages that are, you could say, in form of poetry. It's also difficult to understand that part as well and answer the questions. You can leave it in the first instance, you can move on to the second passage and then keep doing the easier question in different, you could say, sections also. That is going to be extremely helpful. It will increase your attempts, it will efficiently help you do a lot of questions correctly, and it will ultimately increase your score also. A lot of students may be perplexed. अब बहुत सारे students हैं, मैंने बहुत सारे students से इस बारे में बात करी है, that maths is one section that we do not generally like, right? हमको अच्छा ही लगता है maths करना, so we leave it. हम लोगों को लगता है 135 में से we'll give our best. Any CLAT aspirant who want to get to a top 5, you have to attempt approximately 120 plus, you could say, questions. It could be 125 plus also in an easier test, but 120 plus तो भी करने ही पड़ेंगे in an exam like CLAT 2022 also. When you are only attempting out of 135, it is very difficult for you to do 120 questions properly. आप कर लोगे, but you will make a lot of incorrect you could say questions, a lot of unreasonable questions आप करोगे because आपके पास कोई option भी नहीं, आपको attempt अपने बढ़ाने ही पड़ेंगे उसमें. So please do not leave maths. There are only 5 to 6 important topics in maths. Cover them extremely properly. They are going to be a lifesaver in the exam. अगर कोई भी section difficult आता है, maths generally ज़्यादा difficult नहीं आता है CLAT में. So prepare, practice, and last 100 days are good enough to practice. ठीक है, 100 days से बहुत कम time नहीं होता, आप आराम से उसको practice कर सकते हो. Now third and the very important thing that you guys would want is how to cover so much backlog in current affairs. And I'm pretty sure that बहुत लोगों का काफी सारा backlog है. Even if you're preparing for quite some time, हम लोग revise बहुत सारा हमें करना है. So for that you can attempt or you could see, you can find any compendium. ठीक है, आप कोई भी compendium ले सकते हो. I also release a compendium of 12 minutes to GLAT every month on my Telegram channel, but that is only a secondary reading. ठीक है, that is a very important reading, but that's a secondary reading. So don't solely rely on that because I will give you 12 very important topics in a particular month. You have to rely on a more extensive compendium, right? ज़्यादा extensive compendiums पर rely करो. Other than that, you can come to my classes also. You know that I take a class at 5 p.m. and at 9:15 p.m. on Unacademy every day from Monday to Friday. आप लोग मेरी क्लासेस में आ जाओ. I'm covering the backlogs along with the new topics from newspapers itself. तो आपको जो primary source है ना newspaper, अगर आप वो पढ़ रहे हो और classes कर रहे हो along with any one compendium, it will be extremely helpful for you. And the 9:15 classes are free of cost as well. 5 p.m. classes जहाँ पर मैं ज़्यादा backlogs करवाता हूँ, you can take a quick subscription of just 3 months for that. You can use my code Malpani or Keshav Live and get 10% off on all these subscriptions. You will find the link for the same in the description again. Now another issue that अभी मैंने newspaper की बात की और newspaper में काफी ज़्यादा particularly आप लोगों से बात करता हूँ that you need to read them. In the last 100 days, make it a habit that you are reading the newspapers every single day. Why? अगर आप properly newspaper को one go में पढ़ोगे, ये भी एक बहुत important बात है. Do not you could say compartmentalize और departmentalize in the sense कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि पहले हम लोग 4 आर्टिकल्स पढ़ते हैं, फिर छोड़ देते हैं, फिर 2 घंटे बाद वापस आते हैं, फिर 4 आर्टिकल पढ़ते हैं, फिर रात में थोड़ा पढ़ते हैं. ऐसे नहीं पढ़ना है न्यूज़पेपर को. Read a newspaper like your mock test passages one after the other. That is going to be extremely important. तो न्यूज़पेपर हमको रोज पढ़ना है ताकि आपकी वो रीडिंग की हैबिट बने, आपकी रीडिंग स्पीड बढ़ जाए. यू आर नॉट यू कुड से परप्लेक्स और एकदम फ्लैबरगास्टेड नहीं हो रहे व्हेन यू सी अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट पैसेज इन एन एग्जाम. You will be able to deal with it quite easily because आपने न्यूज़पेपर में उससे डील करा होगा. Another very important thing is CLAT, as I already told you, is 70% practice and only 30% concepts. Concentrate more on practice in the last 100 days. Other than current affairs, everything will require more practice. Try to practice as much as you can. Do as many sectional tests as possible. Do at least 2 mock tests every week in the last 100 days, so that you're able to understand it and analyze it properly ताकि आपको अपनी problem भी समझ में आए. You don't have to beat anybody else. Beat yourself in every mock. Basically आपको जो पिछले mock में स्कोर आया था ना, उससे बेटर करने की कोशिश करो, चाहे वो एक ही नंबर ज्यादा आ जाए. You will be good to go. उसको प्रोग्रेस कहते हैं अगर आप खुद के मॉक टेस्ट से ज्यादा नंबर ला पा रहे हो तो. Right? It's extremally important, guys. Keep reading. उसके अलावा सेक्शनल टेस्ट में कभी-कभी हम क्या करते हैं कि जैसे a lot of students have told me कि अगर एक सेक्शनल टेस्ट करेंगे, अगर मान लो इंग्लिश का टेस्ट करेंगे 6 पैसेजेस तो हम उसको अच्छे से कर लेते हैं, बट जब हम पूरा मॉक टेस्ट करने जाते हैं तो हमारे इंग्लिश में भी उतने नंबर नहीं आ पाते. That's because you have a lot of stress and anxiety for the entire 150 questions in that particular passage, which is not there in the sectional test. तो आप सेक्शनल टेस्ट में पेयरिंग करके करो. तो एक दिन में कोई भी 2 सब्जेक्ट के करो. You can pair English and critical reasoning, English और maths. Any 2 subjects can be, you could say, paired other than current affairs जो कि रेगुलरली रोज ही चलेगा साइड बाय साइड. इसके अलावा आप डेफिनेटली 2 सब्जेक्ट को रोज पेयर करो, उनको बैक टू बैक करो ताकि आपकी ज्यादा रीडिंग की एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम में एक हैबिट बन जाए. दैट्स गोइंग टू बी एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, in the last 100 days you need to be extremely confident about yourself without thinking about the results now. ये लास्ट के कुछ ऐसे दिन है जो आपका मेक और ब्रेक करेंगे पूरा गेम. एंड द मेंटल फ्रेम ऑफ यू कुड से मेंटल फ्रेम ऑफ थिंग्स that you generally you could say put into your preparation, that's going to define everything for your exam. आप बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट हो सकते हो बट अगर आप मेंटली बहुत ज्यादा डरे हो, you will not be able to do this. आप एक बहुत एवरेज स्टूडेंट हो बट आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं, आई विल प्रिपेयर, मेरा 100% एग्जाम में जो होगा देखा जाएगा, उसके बाद जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो बाद में ही देखेंगे. दैट इज एनीवे नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल. दैट इज द अप्रोच. जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ ना, अ लॉट ऑफ एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स क्लियर दिस एवरी सिंगल ईयर. व्हाई? बिकॉज उनका एक जो मेंटली जिस तरह से वो एग्जाम को लेते हैं ना, वो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा होता है एंड दे डू नॉट स्ट्रेस टू मच अबाउट इट. You can also go with that approach. It's going to be extremely important for you guys. Give it your best chance. Take it. Give it your best attempt, and do not prove anything to anyone. Just prove everything to yourself that you are capable of doing something. इसको खुद के लिए एक मिशन बनाओ कि आई हैव 100 days लेफ्ट नाउ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव माय बेस्ट। चाहे मैंने अभी तक कुछ ठीक से नहीं किया, अभी तक मैंने प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट किया है, बट आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई डू दिस फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड गिव इट माई बेस्ट शॉट। आई बिकम द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ, और मैं खुद को करके दिखाता हूँ। कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि अभी तक आपने स्कूल में क्या किया था, आपके टीचर्स आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, आपके फ्रेंड्स आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं। उस थिंकिंग को चेंज करने के लिए आपके पास 100 दिन है। अब यहाँ पर मैं शाहरुख खान नहीं बनना चाह रहा, बट मैं डेफिनेटली बोलूंगा कि ये 100 दिन तुमसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता। ठीक है, सो दैट्स इट अबाउट द सेशन फ्रॉम माय साइड। अगर आपको कोई भी और डाउट है, यू कैन मेंशन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू टेक इट फ्रॉम देयर एंड आंसर इट फॉर यू गाइस। That's it about the session from my side. If you like my sessions, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and don't miss any update from us. Keep liking us and keep following us like this. Thank you so much, guys.